Is remote closing a scam? Let's talk about it.
Welcome to Remote Closing Rapid Fire.
Hey, what's going on? Aaron here, back with another episode of Remote Closing Rapid Fire, a series where we break down some of your most frequently asked questions about remote closing that we get all over the internet. So the intro there, a little bit creepy, I know, but we get this question all the time. And I'm just going to break this down and show you really quick that remote closing is not a pyramid scheme. It is not an MLM, and this is why. Now, most people, when they're talking about MLMs, right, or we're just going to call it PS for pyramid schemes, is they just almost have this as this catch-all term of something that seems a little bit scammy, or something that is this online business model where they think because it's online, they can't actually make money and they don't believe in it. So they kind of just take this name and they just throw it on any business model. Oh, that's a pyramid scheme. That's a pyramid scheme. That's an MLM. But really, in all actuality, what an MLM is we're just going to use, I'm just not even going to call the company because there's a ton out there, but let's say it's company A. And company A, let's say they're a health and weight loss company that sells supplements. They're going to recruit people to bring in to help them get the word out there and sell more of their products. So what's going to happen is, let's say person A, right? They have two options. They can either sell the product, right? Or they can recruit new people. Now, what happens is when they recruit someone, so let's say they're up here, right? And they recruit someone, right? They recruit someone here. What happens is anything that this person then sells is this person is going to get a commission in their upline, or their downline is what they call it. So the incentivization, I don't even know if that's a word, is then this person up here, right? This person at the very top is incentivized to then bring more people under them, right? Because it's easier for this person up here to sell the people down below this business model or this way to make money, as opposed to them going out and selling the product themselves. So where the pyramid scheme name gets its name is you have the person up here, right? These are terrible drawings, by the way. And then they are then going to, let's say, recruit 1, 2, 3 people down here, right? They recruit them. And then this person then recruits some people, this person recruits some people, this recruits some people, right? So then what happens is this pyramid thing starts to unfold. Now, with remote closing though, is let's say you are up here as the remote closer, right? You are the RC, the remote closer. You are going to then sell a product, let's say it's weight loss or making money online, whatever it is, you're going to sell a product to a person down here. Now, this person is not going to recruit anyone into the program. They're not going to sell anyone in the program. It is a one-to-one interaction of you have something that they are buying and they are going to take action on that and do whatever they're going to do. So again, if it's a weight loss program, they're going to lose weight. If it's a make money online program, they're going to make money online. If it's a, a transformation spiritual program, they're going to take advantage of whatever that program has to offer, and they're going to go on their merry way, right? They're not going to recruit anyone down the line. So I could do a million other drawings to make this make sense, but hopefully that's enough. There's no recruiting that takes place. It's literally you're a remote closer, you're bringing people on that want the program, you're selling it to them, and they are reaping the benefits from doing so. Now, before you go, there is a link, first link down in the description below will bring you over to an entire breakdown, step-by-step breakdown video of how to use the skills that you're learning in this playlist to implement and start making money in the next 30 days. Again, step-by-step process, check it out, or you can check out the playlist that's on screen. It's gonna bring you over to the rest of the videos here in the Remote Closing Rapid Fire playlist.